The graphene ink that we've developed is a high concentration aqueous-based ink. It's comprised of graphene oxide nanoparticles suspended in the ink, and it is tailored rheologically for one specific 3D printing, which is called direct ink writing. It is an extrusion-based process, so you basically deposit a layer of material on top of each other in order for 3D printing system. We basically make them as electrode materials, mostly for supercapacitor application, battery applications, for all electrochemical system. Wherever we need material that require high specific surface area, we need high electrical conductivity, we need higher capacitance, we could use these graphene inks as electrodes. The inks are available for commercialization. LLNL has partnered with Millipore Sigma to manufacture small quantities of the inks available for researchers and companies. And if they benefit from these inks, they could contact LLNL for licensing the inks to manufacture large quantities.